The kind of market the buyers are walking into is a real seller's market. There's low stock levels and there's such strong demand. So what we're seeing is clearance rates of over 80%. We're seeing 4 to 5 bidders at most auctions, and offer and reserves are being smashed by 10 to 20%. Post-COVID, we've noticed that the apartment market has still continued to be patchy compared to the demand for the housing market, particularly family homes, which are one of the strongest sectors of the market, as well as the entry-level properties that we're seeing first home buyers dominate in. Buyer demand is so high that properties are selling often 10 to 20% above the top of the price range. When buyers are looking at properties, they need to add a percentage above the price quote to be competitive in the current market. Buyers should be approaching an auction this autumn by trying to make offers before auction and trying to catch other buyers on the hop. Though if it does go through to auction, you need to be strong, confident and aggressive with your bidding. My other tip is not to get too emotional and overpay and overextend yourself. Though you've got to be competitive in the current seller's market, and make sure you're not left behind and you give yourself every opportunity to get into this market.